how to change your country on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your country on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, scroll down till you find the general option. Head over to general settings, and after you're on general settings, scroll down again till you find language and region. So it's right here. Tap on language and region, and after you tap on language and region, you will see the region option. Tap on region, and now what you can do is you can simply select a new country. So choose a country that you want. So just choose any country. I'll just head over here and choose the United Kingdom here, and now you will see you can change your phone language to United Kingdom as well, and this basically will change your region to your country, whichever you want to choose. And that is how you change a country in your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.